Hi, today I want to share with you something that you are probably throwing away from your garden or from your farm, and it can actually support your well-being. I am Juliet Oriri from Nature's Healing Kitchen. Here we talk about using food, plants, herbs as medicine because God has created herbs for the service of men. Sweet potatoes. Yes, that's right. Everyone's favorite tuber have incredible health benefits that many people are aware of. But did you know that their leaves are just as good, if not better? Meet the unsung hero of our kitchen, sweet potato leaves. You see, many people harvest sweet potato and discard the leaves, only enjoy the tubers. But what if I tell you they are packed with essential nutrients that can boost your well-being? They can be cooked into a delicious green meal and raise your health game. Now, I know you will have a different perspective to sweet potato leaves. These wonderful greens are rich in vitamin A, C, and E. Also in the minerals iron, calcium, and potassium, to mention a few. These antioxidants can help us boost immunity, reduce oxidative stress, and vitamin E is known to support fertility. How about the iron content? Great in managing iron deficiency anemia. Calcium for strong bones and teeth, and potassium for heart health and muscles. You want to know how to use these leaves to prevent or manage some health issues? Get into my DM now and I guide you through. Your own herb is in your garden.